वेलकम टू बी लर्न वर्चुअल लर्निंग नेटवर्क। वर्चुअल लर्निंग नेटवर्क में आपका स्वागत है। And the subject is behavioral finance of the investor. Session number 2, subsession 2. The irrational influence. Topic to be covered: efficient market hypothesis, expected utility, rational expectation, few examples, prospects theory, Kahneman and Tversky, behavioral heuristics and biases in decision making, implication for financial market, and now market efficiency. The market price at any time instant reflects all available information in the market, cannot make money using state information. Three forms. Number one, weak form, that means past prices and return. Semi-strong form, all public information. Strong form, all public and private information. Michael Jensen: there is no other proposition in economics which has more empirical support than the efficiency market hypothesis. Challenges to efficiency market hypothesis: investors are not fully rational. They exhibit biases and use simple heuristics, rule of thumb, in making decision. Empirical evidence on investors' behavior: investors fail to diversify of investment. Investors trade actively. Odeon: investors may sell winning stocks and hold on to losing stock. Extrapolative and constant forecast. And now expected utility theory, a theory of choice under uncertainty for a single decision makers. Expected utility: P1 multiply U1 plus P2 multiply U2 plus and so on Pn multiply Un, where P tends to probability of an event, U utility derived from the event, based several strong assumptions about preferences. Example: transitivity, cancellation. And now rational expectation paradigm. All investors are identical. All investors are utility maximizers. All investors use Bayes rule to form new belief as new information becomes available. All investors' predictions are accurate. Expected utility plus rational expectation equal to market efficiency. That is very good relationship between the utility and expectation. Are financial market efficient? Weak form of market efficiency supported to a certain extent. Challenges: excess market volatility, stock price overreaction, long time trend, 1 to 3 years reverse themselves, momentum in stock prices, short term trend 6 to 12 months continue, size and BM ratio, state information may help predict returns, stock prices reactions to known information. Crash of 1987, 22.6% decline without any apparent news. 50 larger one-day stock prices movement occurred on a day of no major announcement. Inclusions of a stock in the S&P 500 index result in significant share price reactions. Example, AOL rose 18% on the news of its inclusion in the index. Role of investors' behavior. Bounded rationality, satisfying behavior, information processing limitations. Example, memory limitations. Investors' sentiment, that means beliefs based on heuristic rather than Bayesian rationality. Investors may react to irrelevant information and hence may trade on noise rather than information. May choose a portfolio. Rational behavior of professional money managers may choose a portfolio very close to the benchmark against which they are evaluated, for example S&P 500 index. Heading, may select a stock that other managers select to avoid falling behind and looking bad. Windows, dressing, add to the portfolio's stock that have done well in the recent past and sell stock that have recently done poorly. An example, initial endowment rupees 300, consider a choice between a sure gain of rupees 100, a 50% chance to gain rupees 200, a 50% chance to gain rupees 0. Initial endowment rupees 500, consider a choice between a sure loss of rupees 100, a 50% chance to loss rupees 200, a 50% chance to loss 0. Reversal in choice. Case 1, 72% choose option number 1 and 22% choose option number 2. Case 2, 36% choose option number 1 and 64% choose option number 2. A reversal in choice. Problem framed as a gain. Decision makers is risk averse. Problems framed as a loss. Decision makers is risk seeking. Alias paradox. Case 1, consider a choice between rupees 1 million with certainty, 5 million with probability of 0.1, rupees 1 million with probability of 0.89 and rupees 0 with probability of 0.01. Case 2, consider a choice between rupees 1 million with probability of 0.11, rupees 0 with probability of 0.89, rupees 5 million with probability of 0.10 and rupees 0 with a probability of 0.90. Alias paradox. 1 million is greater than 0.10, multiply U5M plus 0.89 multiply U1M plus 0.01 multiply U0M. Add 0.89 multiply 0 U0M minus 0.89 multiply U1M to both sides. Therefore 0.11 multiply U1M plus 0.89 multiply U0 greater than 0.10 multiply 5M plus 0.90 multiply U0M. Violates expected utility theorem. Prospects theory, proposed by two psychologists, Daniel Kahneman and Amos Tversky. Gambles are evaluated relative to a reference point. Decision makers analyzes gains and losses differently. Incremental value of loss is larger than that of a loss. The hurt of rupees 1000 loss is more painful than the benefit of rupees 1000 gain. Behavioral heuristics and decision making biases. What strategy do decision makers use when faced with difficult decisions? especially ones that involve uncertainty. Commonly used heuristics: availability, familiarity breeds investment, representativeness, judgment based on similarity, pattern in random sequence, reliance on the judgment of other peoples, Keen's beauty, contest analogy. Then gambler's fallacy. Investors may apply law of large numbers to small sequence. Example: fair coins tossing. Tail head, tail head, tail head, head head, head head, head, greater than probability of tail is equal to what? Probability of head is equal to what? Which of the two sequences is more likely to occur in a fair coin tossing experiment? Head, 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 tail, 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 head, 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 head. And second is head, head, tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, tail, head. Some more heuristic: overconfidence. People overestimate the reliability of their knowledge. Excessive trading करेगा. Framing effect, regret aversions, anticipation of a future regret can influence current decision. Disposition effect, sale winners hold on the losers. Anchoring and adjustment can create underreaction. Then fashion and fads, people are influenced by each other. There is a social pressure to conform. Hoarding behaviors, safety in numbers, informational cascades, positive feedbacks. Example: excessive demand for interest, IPOs, extremely high opening day return. Can arbitrage opportunity exist? Yes. Real world arbitrage is always risky. No riskless hedge for the arbitragers. Arbitrager faces noise traders. Risk mispricing can become worse before it disappears. Close substitutes needed for arbitrage positions may not be available. Fundamentally, identical assets may not sell at identical prices. Behavioral finance to major foundation. Investor sentiments create disturbances to efficient prices. Limited arbitrage. Arbitrage is never risk free, hence it does not counter irrational disturbance. Prices may not react to information by the right amount. Prices may react to non-information. Markets may remain efficient. And now summary. Investors' behavior does have an impact on the behavior of financial market. How much? Not clear. Both social and psychological must be taken into account in explaining the behavior of financial market. Market anomalies may be widespread. Behavioral finance does not replace but complements traditional models in finance. Do it yourself. Explain behavioral heuristic and biases in the decision making. Question number 2. What are the key differences between traditional finance and behavioral finance? And thank you. That's it, session number 2, subsession 2.